Hi, this is Sasha from the autismhelper.com, and this is a product preview of my Level 1 Language Arts Level Daily Curriculum file folders. That is a huge mouthful. Basically, these file folders will go along with Level 1 of the Language Arts curriculum. So I thought that was really important to make as quickly as I could because I love adding this interactive and hands-on component, especially to the Level 1 curriculum. The Level 1 curriculum is really focused for our foundational learners who will definitely benefit from not only extra practice, but lots of extension opportunities and really getting a little more engagement that a file folder or some type of hands-on activity can give. So based on the 8 units of the curriculum, here's kind of a reminder of what the themes are. There are 3 to 5 file folders that match with each of the themes. So I'll kind of scroll through and show what some of them look like and give kind of the basic idea. So Unit 1 looks at uppercase letters, so there's matching letters, matching and writing. I love this one because you have to match the letter and then write it with a dry erase marker, so it's going to take a little longer. So this is a little bit lengthier one. And then for all of the vocabulary themes, the structure of these file folders always follows the same way. So because there's a different set of vocabulary included in each unit, I really love keeping the structure the same and just switching up the content. For our learners, this really helps them engage in new activities more quickly because they know right away what's expected of them. They've seen something like this familiar, it's just with some new concepts included. So the first one is a matching picture to picture, just great to reinforce those basic vocabulary concepts that are included. Next is matching the words. Purposely put the words on the top so you have space to put the Velcro. So this is matching pictures to words. And then kind of a larger matching the food vocabulary. These black dots here are where to put the Velcro, so you're not covering up the word or the picture. But again, these are 2 pages that are both going to go in the inside of the file folder. This activity is going to take a little longer, and that's on purpose. We do want to be building work endurance with our kids and giving them more time to work independently, especially if you have 2 or 3 kids in a group. You're going to be wanting to maybe pull these out and have 1 or 2 kids work on file folders while you work one-on-one with another student. So you don't want file folders that last 2 seconds. You want things that can take a little bit of time, and that's why I specifically designed this longer one. So as you can see, this next unit has animals instead of food, but the structure looks the same. Unit 3 looks at colors and clothing vocabulary. The next unit looks at big and little, so there's a variety of big and little activities, plus sports vocabulary, those same 3 vocabulary ones, and associated items, and household vocabulary, then sorting, categorizing, a few different versions of categorizing, and community vocabulary. And I would definitely, as I'm doing this, keep out the previous units file folders because it's just important to have extra practice anyways. And again, it's going to give you more activities to pull from. If you're working one-on-one with one student, you have 2 other kids at the table with you, they can be doing these file folders so they're not just sitting there and they're engaged in something that's on theme and something that they need to be working on right at their level. So those are all of the sets of file folders. I think there's almost 40 included. There's 4 to 6 for each unit that will line up perfectly with the Level 1 Language Arts curriculum.